Hello and welcome again to Paloma Piano. I have another little motivational piece for you today that you can learn just by watching the video. It's called Scribble and it goes like this. Okay, this piece is in 6/8, 6 beats to a measure, and an eighth note gets the beat, but you don't have to know that to play it. We're going to start on this C right here. The next note's going to be G, there's 2. Next is E with 1. And then we have 1 on C, G, C. And the rhythm sounds like this. So it's kind of short, long, short, long, short, long, short, long. It repeats. So just practice that first part. It's going to come back over and over again. 5, 2, 2, 1, 1, 1, 4, 1. And once you get that, you're ready to play the first part. After that, you can leave your hands right here. You're going to follow. Go up, and it just follows. Now it's going to follow down. So you can practice the right hand, A, G, F, E, F, G, and the left hand, C, B, A, G, A, B, and then put them together. Now guess what? That first part again. Almost the same following. Except this time you're going to stay here and you're going to land on the C. So that part was here. And the right hand was this. And then the right hand has nothing, but the left hand lands on the C. So it looks like this. First part before we get to the middle part, which is a little bit different. We have that first pattern. This part repeats. Now there's a middle part. It goes like this, C and E. We have G, F, and E and C. We have the E again, the F, E, cross your 2 over, this is tricky, and back to the C. So watch that middle part again. Then guess what? The first part comes back again. Exactly the same. This part again. Here, this is almost the same too. Then you're going to play E, C, E, C. So this part is just like the other part. And a low C. And so that's the whole part of the piece, Scribble. You can scrub it back and see what you have to see. You can also print out the notation on the website and you can help to follow along with the fingering just so that you can learn a piece really quickly. That's why this is on the video for you to watch. Thank you so much.